Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ethereum. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like through this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Quick reminder, cryptos are open 24/7, so if you're watching this video, 15, 20 hours from after I posted it, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you, but my goal here from a presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels, and then walk you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So overall, everything is still perfectly fine. Yeah, the price kind of has pulled back here a little bit and just gone sideways, but you got to keep things in perspective. Yeah, the price has been just simply essentially going sideways for the time being. But where's the last time it went sideways? Well, down here. And not to insult your intelligence, but pretty sure that everybody, assuming you're bullish, of course, is totally fine with the new quote-unquote boring period now happening much higher than where the previous boring period was. So again, yeah, the past 24 hours, not necessarily the most exciting time, but at least the price has been able to maintain the gains that it's made. And that once again circles back to the level that I talked about in Monday's video right here at $93.80. And that'll be the key question you need to ask yourself. So we'll go with the 15-hour number. You're watching this video 15 hours from after I posted it. The first question you need to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 93.80? As long as you are answering the question that the price is up above that level, that means progress is possible. What do I mean by progress? Well, let's say that the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then eventually start to work its way back upwards. What would you still have from the big picture point of view? Well, you'd have lows right here. You'd have some lows right there. You'd have those lows down there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, the overall stair steps would still very clearly be going in the upwards direction. And again, that's what you want to see. That's the name of the game. As long as price movements are in general drifting upwards, making progress, then, overall that means the bulls are in full control. So as long as the price, like I said, is above 93.80, the progress is still in the bulls' favor. Now, if you're watching this 15 hours from now and you're answering the question that the price is down below 93.80, little common sense, gut instincts needs to come into play. I mean, if the price is right there, okay, that's not great, but it's not like the price is totally collapsed. Now, if you're watching this and the price is down here at 88, well, that's telling you that, yeah, this consolidation is having some major issues, and while I won't call it fully bearish, the chart definitely would be much sketchier at that point in time, given how far the price would be down below that level. But as I talk right now, the price is holding up above 93.80, and that's what you want to continue to see happen going forward. So all in all, yeah, the past 24 hours have been boring, quote unquote, but definitely meant in a healthy type of way. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.